ready to supercharge your customer support with seamless team collaboration. Let's dive into how to add agents on Aisensy. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the Team section, usually found on the left-hand sidebar. This is your central hub for agent management. On the Team page, look for the Add Agent button. It's typically a plus sign or a button labeled Add Agent. Click on it to start adding a new team member. A form will pop up here. Enter the agent's full name and their email address. Ensure the email is correct, as this is where they'll receive their invitation to join Aisensy. Now, assign a role to the agent. Aisensy offers various roles like admin, agent, or supervisor, each with different levels of access and permissions. Choose the role that best suits the agent's responsibilities. Depending on the agent's role, you might have the option to further customize their permissions. This allows you to control which channels, reports, or features they can access, ensuring data security and streamlined workflows. Once you've filled out the form and configured the permissions, click Save or add an invitation. An email will be sent to the agent's email address with instructions on how to set up their Aisensy account. That's it.